If you are looking to start or grow your social media presence, then you're going to need some quality social media content. Hi, my name is Chloe with Mission to Organize, and today I'm going to teach you how you can up your social media game. Okay, firstly, you're going to need some place to put all of your ideas. Having a landing pad to jot down everything is ideal, especially if it's somewhere in the cloud, like Google Drive, for instance. Then you can access it from anywhere at any time from any device. It's also smart to have a calendar of when you're going to post and what you're going to post. That way you can stay consistent. Variety is the spice of life, they say, and that's what you need to bring to your social media pages. Both photos and videos are equally important, so you have to make sure that you have a little bit of both. Let's start with photos. Aesthetic is everything in photos, so you're going to want to pick a backdrop and an environment that matches that. Today I've just got a blank wall behind me and minimal hair and makeup, so I'm going for more of a clean and simple look, you could say. Lighting is incredibly important. Whether it be mood lighting or just spatial lighting, make sure you are well lit. I'm using a simple ring light today, plus the natural light. I am all about efficiency when it comes to taking photos, because as we all know, time is money. So I would highly recommend getting a remote clicker so you can take your photos more quickly. You can also use your Apple Watch, which you can just press and it will take photos for you. Or you can even do a long video and hold each pose for a few seconds and then go back later and screenshot the ones that you like. As far as posing goes, each movement you make is a different shot. Try moving your head to different positions with one look on your face, then change the look and move your head to those positions again. Then do it again with a different body posture. To add more variety to your photos, simply changing your hair, your makeup, or your clothes can change the look drastically, and it doesn't take a ton of time to do. Okay, now that we have photos out of the way, let's talk about videos. Videos have become a crucial part of social media, and it allows your viewers to connect with you emotionally as well as show your personality. Your lighting and background should probably be similar, blank or blurred out if you have the capability, and bright and highlighting you. Psst, this is a little too close. Don't forget about your framing, unless you're trying to do an ASMR video, which I'm not. You're going to want to back up and give yourself some space, so that you can also add words or graphics later if you decide to. You should give yourself about 1 to 2 seconds at the beginning and end of each video for editing purposes. Also, if you make any mistakes mid-video, give yourself around the same amount of breathing room so that you can cut and edit properly in between. You want your audience to be engaged. So try adding some variety to your vocal range, personality, and gestures. Your energy will come across on the other side of the screen, so don't be afraid to have some fun with it. Oh, and don't forget the bloopers. People love them. You've got a long script to read? I've got a sneaky little tip for you. Try printing it off in large print and taping it underneath your phone camera. You could also set up your laptop next to it with it also printed in large print. Or you could try a free teleprompter service that'll allow it to scroll for you very slowly if you've got a very long script to read. Editing is super important when it comes to bringing life to your photos and videos. If you yourself don't know how to edit, find an editor that can help you. There are also tons of filters or videos online to teach you how you can start to edit. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you learned something helpful, but most importantly, I hope that you remember to have fun. People are gonna love you, so just be yourself. Okay, bye! Variety is the spice of life, they say, and that's what you need to bring to your social media pages. Both okay. Or you can also use your watch, which can also take photos. Siri, I'm not talking to you. You want your audience to be engaged. So play around with adding vocal range, variety, and gestures. I said the wrong words. So thank you for joining me today. I hope that you learned something interesting and fun to help bring some personality and sparkle to your social media. Bye!